Hi there, my name is Travis, and in this Lens Studio tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the hand template. The hand template lets you create a lens that adds images to a hand found in the camera. The template also gives an example script for adding interactions when a hand is found or lost. First, open Lens Studio and select the hand template to create a new project. With the hand template opened, we're going to switch the preview video to one with a hand in it. In the preview panel, press the Image Video Mode button. Then, in the drop-down at the top of the preview panel, select the hand preview video. You should now see the template working with content applied to the preview model's hand. You can also switch to webcam in the preview panel and see the content attached to your own hand. To edit the content of the hand template, first select the hand tracking controller object in the Objects panel on the left side of Lens Studio. We're then going to adjust the settings of this selected object in the Inspector panel towards the right side of Lens Studio. For this template, ignore the Scene panel in the center. We'll always be selecting the hand tracking controller object in the Objects panel and tuning its settings in the Inspector panel. The hand tracking controller object lets you add a 2D texture or animation to a hand found in the camera. To do this, let's first import my custom texture by dragging and dropping it into the Resources panel. Then, with the hand tracking controller object selected, let's assign the texture field to the newly imported texture. With the sliders in the Inspector panel, I can control the attached 2D image's size, offset, rotation, and alpha transparency. The hand template also gives an example for adding interaction when the hand is found or lost in the camera. In the template, a 3D animation and 2D animation is played when the hand is found. For adding your own hand-found interaction, take a look at the hand hat controller script found in the hand tracking template content scripts folder in the Resources panel. In the script, you'll see two functions, onObjectFound and onObjectLost. As long as these functions exist in the hand template, they will be called when the hand is found or lost in the camera. While the hand template gives you a very simple system for attaching images to the hand tracking can also always be added outside of the hand template. To demonstrate this, I'm going to create a new empty project by selecting File, New Project from the Lens Studio menu bar. Then, in the Objects panel, select Add New, Object Tracking, Hand Tracking to create a hand-tracked object. This will open the 2D scene, allowing you to configure the image's position, scale, and rotation. Use this technique if you want to add hand tracking to an existing project. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating your own hand-tracked lenses.